beautiful feet have grown into young adults. Mikey, surrounded by one of the very best in schooling belts of your children, well, they are guaranteed genius status. Not this little one here's got a gold medal already, so he'll fit right in. Now, the gardens have been tended with loving care, and she's picture perfect, testament to all those that have turned up here today. So, we like to say in auctioneering terms, nothing will come of nothing. Opening bidder offer. Who wants to stake their claim for their slice of paradise? Sorry, sir?
2.5.
Thank you very much. At $2.5 million we're underway. See, I'm half deaf as well, but that's okay. I got you now at $2.5 million. What a beautiful family these guys are. At 2.5 of it now. I bid it away for a little 50,000 on the climb. If no one else bids, I'm going to have a conversation right here, and I'll do everything I can to sell you the home at 2.5 million out of it now. Is there a little 25 on the climb? Be fair warned. At 2,500,000. Going at 2.5. Taj Mahal the street ran here. Righto team, let's have a conversation inside, but they've graciously increased their bid to $2.7 million. On that proviso, we're on the market and I sell. I offer finality. Up she goes at $2.7 million. Every one of them cash Kiwi. Conversation, you know, procrastination's the belief there's one better just around the corner. Twice at 2.7 million out of it now. Do you put up a little 10, little 5 each way? Choice the call. It is going at 2.7. Thank you for coming though, guys, at 2.7. Mike, Lorraine, you do it again, and it is sold to the beautiful family.